Hello friends, today we are going to find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. That is area. Shaded region is nothing but like a triangle. Here the area of three triangles are given. This triangle is having area of 20 centimeter square. This is having 25 centimeter square and this one is having 15 centimeter square. First of all, we'll find out the height of the first triangle. This is the first triangle. We will find out this height. Height means the breadth of this rectangle. That is the height of this first triangle. That we have to find out. And then second triangle, we have to find out this is the second triangle. We have to find out the base. Base is BN. Base we have to find out. And then for the third triangle, this is third triangle, we have to find out height. This is the height of the third triangle. Okay, this one is the base and this is height of the third triangle. So let's proceed now. First of all, let us assume that the length of this rectangle is x centimeter. This is x centimeter. Then takes its parallel side. This is the parallel side of this. In this, assume that the base of triangle 3, this is triangle 3, the base of triangle 3 is y centimeter. This much cm is equal to y centimeter, you assume. So dm will automatically equal to x minus y. So this dm is equal to x minus y. Dm is what? It is nothing but the base of first triangle. Okay, this is a rectangular figure. So here there is a 90 degree. All angle are of 90 degree. Now first of all, what we have to do? We have to take the area of the first triangle. Area of the first triangle is given. That area of the triangle 1. Area of triangle 1 is what? 20 centimeters square. Now using the triangular formula, area is equal to half into A1 is equal to half into base into height. Base of first triangle into height of first triangle. Therefore, 20 is equal to half into base is what? X minus y. X minus y into h1. Therefore, 20 into 2 is what? 40. 40 upon x minus y is equal to h1. h1 is the height of this triangle, or you can say that the breadth of the rectangle. That is 40 upon x minus y. This breadth you got it as 40 upon x minus y. Here the parallel side of breadth is this one, BC. BC is divided into BN and NC. Now first of all find out BN, then you find out NC. Add both the things and compare with this. Okay, now BN is what? That is the base of the second triangle that you have to find out. So now again you take the area of second triangle. Triangle 2 is what? It is given 25 centimeter square. 25 centimeter square. Now you write A2 is equal to half into B2 into H2. A2 is 25 centimeter. 25 is equal to half into B2 is what? Base of the second triangle B2, that we have to find out. B2 into H2. H2 is this x. Therefore 25 into 2 is what? 50 upon x is equal to B2. Okay, now for the third triangle we write area of triangle 3 is what? It is given 15 centimeter square. 15 centimeter square. Area of the triangle A3 is equal to half into B3 into H3. 15 is equal to half into B3. Base of the third, that you have to find out. B3 into H3. H we have assumed it is Y. Therefore 15 2s are 30. 30 upon Y is equal to B3. B3 is what? 30 upon Y. And this is what we got? 50 upon X. Now 50 upon X plus 30 upon Y is equal to what we will get? 40 upon X minus Y. So we will make the equation now. Therefore 40 upon X minus Y is equal to 50 upon X plus 30 upon Y. Take LCM here. Y, X. Forget this X and Y. Multiply this and this. This and this. Therefore 40 upon x minus y is equal to 50y plus 30x upon LCM xy. Okay, therefore now here you can see in all three that 40, 50 and 30, 10 is common. Therefore you can say 10, taking 10 as common in this equation. 10 into 4 upon x minus y is equal to 10 into 10 5 is 5 y plus 3x upon xy. Okay, 10 got cancelled. Therefore now the equation has become simple. 4 upon x minus y is equal to 5y plus 3x upon xy. Therefore 4xy is equal to, cross multiply, 4xy is equal to x minus y in the other bracket 5y plus 3x. Therefore 4xy, you can take this as on the left side, x minus y into 5y plus 3x is equal to 4xy. Therefore take this first x, multiply with the whole bracket 5y plus 3x. Take this minus y, multiply with the whole bracket 5y plus 3x is equal to 4xy. Now solve the bracket. It will give you 5xy plus 3x square minus 5y square minus 3xy minus 4xy you take on this side is equal to 0. Therefore, see, this is 3xy, 4 minus 4xy minus 3xy plus 5xy. It will give you minus 2xy plus 3x square minus 5y square is equal to 0. Therefore, now rearrange this equation. 3x square minus 2xy minus 5y square is equal to 0. Now multiply this coefficient, this a and c. 3x square, coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of y square is minus 5. 5 3 is 15, minus 15. Now 5 3 5 is 15. So you want a minus 2 here. So minus will be given to the bigger number and plus will be given to the smaller number. You have divided 15 into 3 and 5. Okay, splitting the middle term minus 2xy, we are splitting this middle term into minus 5xy plus 3xy. We are writing in this term. Therefore 3x square plus 3xy minus 5xy minus 5y square is equal to 0. Now take out the common. Therefore 3x you are taking common. 3x x plus y. Here on the other side also x plus y is common here. So you take minus 5y common and x plus y in the other bracket. Okay, minus 5y is equal to 0. Now you can see here x plus y is common at both the place. Therefore you take it out. X plus y is common on the other bracket. 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Therefore x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus y. This is not possible. Is it possible? No. Why? Because x cannot have minus y value. Both are variable. Not possible. Okay, so you forget this part. Now or part you take 3x is equal to 5y. You got. Therefore y is equal to 3x upon 5. This is the value of y. This value of y you have to put in this breadth of the rectangle. Here x is given, y the value of y, substitute y in form of x. Okay, so you put this value in this and then solve it further. Now what we have to do? Therefore y value, putting value of y in breadth of rectangle. Okay, Therefore 4x 40 upon x minus y is equal to 40 upon x minus y. Y is what? 3x upon 5. Now 5 here as LCM. Here you write 5, here write 1 is equal to 40 upon 5x minus 3x upon 5 is equal to 40 multiply by, just take reciprocal of this, 5 upon 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 40. 40 into 5 is 200 upon 2x. 200 2 divided by 200 divided by 2 is 100. 100 upon x is what? You got the breadth. Breadth is equal, breadth of rectangle is 100 upon x. Now you find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length you already know that it is x, so you write here x into breadth. Breadth how much you got? Breadth is 100 upon x. X got cancelled, so you got the area of rectangle as 100 centimeter square. Now you have to find out the area of the shaded region. Now what you have to do? Find out the area of shaded region. Shaded region is which region? This middle triangle. Now first of all you take the area of this rectangle. From that you just subtract area of this, and area of this. You will get the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangle minus, in bracket, area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of triangle 3. Okay, is equal to area of rectangle, you got it as 100. Okay, 100 minus 20 plus 25 plus 15 is equal to 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. So 40 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region, this region.